Welcome back to the classroom. In this lesson, we're going to talk about another extremely common support problem. A printer works on one computer, but not the other. This is a great troubleshooting example because it teaches you something very important. It teaches you that scope matters. So when a printer works from one device but fails to print from another, that clue narrows down the problem a lot. It often suggests that the printer itself is probably not dead, the network is probably not completely down, and that the issue may be more specific than just that one specific affected machine. And that's a very helpful clue. And that's a very helpful clue. A lot of beginners hear printer offline and immediately blame the printer. But if another computer prints just fine, then the stronger early questions probably become, what's different about the affected machine? Is there a Windows side issue? Is it driver related? Is it network related? Is there a queue or status problem? Did an update or a setting change affect only that machine? And this is why one clue can change the whole direction of your troubleshooting. And that's a big part of getting better with tech problems. You stop treating every issue like a giant mystery and you start using the clues that are already there. So again, in this lesson is less about printers specifically and more about how good troubleshooting narrows the scope of a problem. When one thing works and another does not, that matters. When one device is affected and the others are not, that matters. This is what helps you stop guessing everywhere and start thinking more precisely. All right, your next action step after this lesson is to write down why it works on one device is such an important troubleshooting clue.